Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the detailed tutorial for this watch, Casio AEQ110W. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, let's start with the timekeeping mode. So to make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, you can press the mode button and hold until it gives a high-pitched beeping sound. Okay, and then the next one, you can change the LCD display. For this one is the second and then hour and minute. You can change by pressing the adjust button, and it is changing to the day, and then this is month and date. And yeah, just use the adjust button and not hold, just press once. Okay, and then next, you can also change the time format. So in this case, this one 57, 58 is the second, hour and minute. So you can change this one to become the 12-hour format by pressing this one, the set plus button or the search button at the bottom right. So this one is 8:57 p.m. or 20:57. Okay, let me just now use the 24-hour format. Okay, next you can do the LCD check for this watch by pressing 3 buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and this one, the search button on the bottom right. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and then press the adjust button a bit earlier, and then the other 2 buttons after that, like this. Okay, and it will show this LCD check screen. And then press again the search button or the set plus button. It will show the next LCD check screen. Okay, and then return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, if you want to activate the backlight, sorry, this watch has no backlight, so for that one we have to skip. Okay, and then next we will set the time. But anyway, if you have watched our previous video, you might want to skip this one. You can just jump to the next chapter. I will put also the chapters in this video. Okay, for the timekeeping mode setting, you can set the time by press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And yeah, the second will be flashing like this. If you press the set button, this one, the set plus button, it will become 0. And if the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this one. Okay, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this one. Okay, next, press the mode button and we are moving to the next item to set, and that is the daylight saving. If you want to change the setting, just press this one, the search or the set plus button. Okay, let me just turn off, and then next press the mode button and we are moving to this one, the hour. You can use the set button to increase or set minus button to decrease. Okay, next one, press the mode button and now is the minute. Also the same, these 2 buttons, the set plus to increase and set minus to decrease. Okay, next press the mode button and now is the year 2024. You can change using these 2 buttons also, set plus to increase and set minus to decrease. Okay, next press the mode button and this is the month. You can use these 2 buttons again, set plus to increase, set minus to decrease. And also for the date, the same way, these 2 buttons to change the value. Okay, next mode button and return to the second, meaning that you have set the time and also calendar for this digital time of this watch. So for this one, we will exit from the adjust mode by pressing the adjust button once. And done for the setting of the digital time. Now we will jump to the hand setting for the analog time. So we will not continue to follow the sequence of the menu. We will just jump to HS, hand setting. So this one we will use to set the analog hands to be the same as the digital time. So anyway, this one is already the same. So let me speed up the video and I will set the digital time to be a bit further from this one. Wait a moment. Now the digital time is 9:06 and the analog time is 9:01. So we will move the analog hand to catch up with the digital time. So to do that, from this hand setting mode HS, you can press and hold the adjust button Okay, and now the digital time is flashing like this. And we will use this button, the set plus button, to change or to move the hands clockwise. But anyway, we cannot use this button, the set minus, to move counterclockwise. So let me show you. Okay, cannot, but we can only use this one. And that's a problem if the analog time is already passing the digital time. So yeah, it's going to take maybe like full almost 12 hours of the analog hand rotation. So yeah, 9:07. Let me set, and one push of this button is 1/3 of a minute or 20 seconds. So this one 9:07 and 26. So I will put this one 9 and 7, and yeah, about one click after that, and press the adjust button if done. Okay, now it's already the same, 9:07 for the digital time and 9:07 for the analog time. Okay, press the mode button, and now we are returning to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next we will move to the next mode after the timekeeping, and that is the Telememo. Okay, for this one it can save several numbers, and we cannot use this one also, so only set plus to move to the next contact. And yeah, because I only input one, then Sam 1, and then after that if I press this one, this is blank, and for this blank one let me input as a new contact, and to do that press and hold the adjust button. Anyway, this menu or this function is a bit outdated now because you have cell phone, but anyway, let's just show you how to use this. Maybe you can use it to put your contact number in case your watch is missing or something. Okay, we have just press and hold the adjust button, and now it's flashing like this. And yeah, let me input the name as, let's say, Mike. Okay, so this one I can use the set plus to change the letter. Okay, and you can also use this one to move left for the letter. Okay, M, and then move to the right side by pressing this one, the mode button. Okay, let me set. Okay, and then mode button again to move to the right side. J, K, okay, once more. Okay, and now press the mode button, and we are seeing this one blank. Press again until okay. So total is 8 letters for the name, and after that it will jump to this one. This is the number. So for the number you can also use these two buttons. Let me just set, let's say the number is just 555. Okay, 5. Press the mode button to move to the right side. 5 again. Oh, sorry. And then mode button again to move to the right side, and 5 again. Okay. And yeah, you can use the mode button to move the cursor right. Okay, if done, then you can press the adjust button, and yeah, now the name is Mike and the number is 555. To show the number you can press the adjust button. Okay, 555, and yeah, the set button will move to the next contact, Sam. The number is this one, 08569 something. Okay, and then move to the next contact, press the set plus button. This is still blank, no input yet. Press again, now return to the first name, this one Mike, and press the adjust button to show the number. Okay, and that's all for the Telememo. Let's move to the next function or mode, and that is the world time. For the world time, first you can select the city by pressing the set button, and yes, only the set plus, set minus cannot change the city. So there are 30 cities that you can choose from 29 time zones. Okay, and yeah, let me just choose PKK. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, this one. And then next we can set the time for PKK by press and hold the adjust time, so like this. And now we can set the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just use this set plus button. Okay, and then again press the mode button. this goes to the hour, you can change by using this button, and also the set minus button to change the value. Press again the mode button, and now is the minute. You can increase and decrease. And yeah, for this one, let me just change further to show you that it's going to be different with the timekeeping setting. So it's a different setting for the world time. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now return to the daylight saving setting, and this means already done for the setting of that city. And let me press the adjust button to exit. And yeah, for PKK now the setting is 9:16, and this setting will also apply to the other cities. In this case, Hong Kong time will also be adjusted based on the Bangkok city, not from the timekeeping city or timekeeping setting. And the next, Tokyo will also be based on that, and so on. Okay, and then now let's move to the next one, and that is the alarm mode. So let me press the mode button, now return to the timekeeping mode, and then press again Telememo, then world time, and this one is the alarm mode. So for the alarm, this watch has 1, 2, 3 alarms. So the first alarm is the snooze, and then alarm number 1, alarm number 2, and this one is the signal or hourly chime. So let's start with this one, the snooze alarm. You can use this for a wake up alarm, and yeah, press and hold the adjust button to change the time. Okay, let me just set as, let's say, 5:30. So use the set button to increase the number of the hour, and then press the mode button, and now is the minute. Okay, use the set plus to increase and set minus to decrease. So yeah, it's like clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, 5:30, and then done. You can press the mode button to switch again to the hour. If you're done setting, then press the adjust button. Okay, if you want to activate or deactivate, whichever you want, you can just press the adjust button from this view. So yeah, this means the snooze alarm is not active, and this one is active. Okay, yeah, maybe let's say you set the snooze alarm, you want to use it from Monday until Friday. So on Friday evening you can just turn it off, so that Saturday and Sunday you don't use this alarm. Okay, next, press the set button to move to the alarm number 1, and basically the same setting, the same method. So for this one, let me just press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and let's say I want to set this one as, yeah, let's say 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. Okay, and yeah, done. Press the adjust button to exit from the adjust of the time. And yeah, for this one you can also activate, deactivate using the this one, the adjust button. Deactivate, activate. Okay, also alarm number 2, same thing. You can set the same method. And then next, for this one, the signal or the hourly signal, hourly chime, you can activate or deactivate by using the adjust button. So just press once, and now it's active. Press again, it's not active. And this will give beeping sound every changing of the hour. Okay, and that's all for the alarms. Next, we will move to the countdown timer. So let me get there. Okay, yes, this one is the countdown timer. We can set the time for the countdown timer by press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now this is the hour and minute. So let's say I want to set as, yeah, just 5 minutes, and then this one we will leave as 0. So if you want to change, you can use these 2 buttons. Okay, set plus to increase, set minus to decrease. Press mode button, and now is the minute. Let me set as 5. Okay, and then if you press again, if we press the mode button again, it will return to the hour. And yeah, if you're done with setting, press the adjust button, and that's it. You can run the countdown timer by pressing this set plus button, and it starts now. This is the second, hour, and minute. You can pause or stop using the same button, and you can reset using the adjust button. Okay, and that's all for the countdown timer. We will move on to the next feature, and that is the stopwatch. Sorry, but this is a very long video and I'm running out of voice. Okay, from the timekeeping mode, press the mode button several times until you see STW, this one. Okay, so for the stopwatch, start stop is using this one. the set plus, okay, and reset using the adjust button. Okay, now you can also do the split time by using the adjust button, but there will be no indication that is split time, so that's kind of, how to say, kind of sad. So let us use this one, start, okay, and then press the adjust button for split time, and yeah, 3:77. So if I press again, it will now run with the time that is now running in the background, so maybe 10 or 11. Okay, 13, yeah. And if you want to stop, use this one, the set plus button, and to reset, use the adjust button. So there are two common ways to use the stopwatch: start stop as usual, and also start with split time. Okay, and yeah, I think that's all for all the setting of this watch. Hopefully useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.